Hello, thanks for joining us today. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new improvements and changes that we have undertaken to our libraries within our 2022 version of vertexbd. These improvements and changes include: libraries have now moved to the browser for ease of navigation. Sheathing libraries are divided by manufacturer for a more organised layout. You can deactivate and activate the required libraries. This is extremely helpful when working on an individual project with specific libraries. You can configure items within the libraries, which enables you to change and add your own item codes in an easier way, as well as having the ability to deactivate items you may not need for the specific projects you are working on. You can now make your own libraries easily by copying items you require into newly created libraries. As well as this, you can also copy and paste items in the libraries and change properties of items, including the item code. This is helpful when you have a large number of items in the system but only need a small number for the projects that you are working on. Let's take a look at the framing tool to see how it's been improved from the select button view. Here you can see that your configurations are available immediately now. You can deactivate libraries here, and you can see that changes are ready for use immediately. As you can see, you can now make your own component libraries with the same functionalities. Simply right-click the needed components and give a code to the component as required for your project and library. Let's also add something else to the library. For example, two railings. Right-click and copy these, navigate to your own library and click Paste. You can edit the properties of the items which you copied here as required. You can change the description of the library you configured, and you can also edit the contents of the library. In this case, we change the path of the browser so that we can easily find our own library. Here we can see how it displays in the newly edited browser. You can deactivate any library if needed, thus speeding up navigation throughout projects. Check out our other videos for our other great improvements and features for our 2022 version of vertexbd.